home. What does it mean to you? A big house with a garden? A small cottage in the countryside? Or a flat in a busy part of town? Well, for some people, home is on the water. These people live on houseboats. They love the water. They love boats. And it's a lot cheaper. There are different types of houseboats. Some are big. Some are small. Some are old. And some are new and modern. People who live on houseboats spend a lot of time outdoors. They like to walk, chat to their neighbours, play music, or just sit back and watch the water and the mountains. What a great life! This is Joan, and this is her houseboat in Sausalito, in the United States.
Welcome. Come on in.
Joan's home isn't very big, but it's lovely. There's a small kitchen, a dining area, a living room, an office, and a small sleeping area. The kitchen is small. It has a sink, a cooker, an oven, and some shelves. Everything here is white and blue. Blue is Joan's favourite colour. In the centre of the room, there's a dining table with 2 chairs. Joan sits here when she has her breakfast, lunch and dinner, or when friends and family visit. The living room is very comfortable. There are 2 sofas, a TV, and a white lamp. The windows here are very big, and the view is amazing. Joan's houseboat doesn't have a bedroom. There's a small sleeping area in her office with a bed and a TV. Joan is a journalist, so she needs a quiet place to work. Her office has a big desk with a lamp, a computer, and a printer. Joan works on the computer a lot. In the office, there are a lot of books and photos of Joan's family. She has 2 children, but they don't live on the houseboat. Joan's home is small, but she loves it.
I just love it. I love living here. I love the view. I like the people. And there's just a great sense of community here that I really enjoy.